Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Natasha.
And my name is Lily.
Students, this is your weekly reminder to bring your IDs.
But don't just bring your ID, you're required to wear your ID at all times. If you do not have your ID, you will get a lunch detention, and if it continues, this resort in a 2-hour detention.
Attention! Are you or anyone you know interested in joining Heritage High School's band, or even joining a band camp to get a feel of things? Well, this is an announcement for you.
Whether you are interested in doing percussion, dance, winds, flag, or even being a pianist, we got you covered. For everyone who joins, Heritage has a rookie camp as well as regular band camp.
If you or anyone you know is interested, we have the dates listed on the screen now. If you'd like to join, scan the QR code as well.
You remember what we said about a pianist as well? Heritage is looking for someone who plays piano. All levels of skill are welcome.
Panthers! A big congratulations to the students shown here who have passed their CTE industry certification exams this week.
Woo! Congrats, y'all. Students, Saturday school started last week and we had over 60 students show up.
What?
Saturday school is from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. There are also sessions for Algebra 1, Geometry, Biology, ELA, U.S. History, and even some extra help for state tests.
There'll be snacks and pizza. Well, you can study this Saturday, April 12th. So if you need any extra help with with certain courses, feel free to join this Saturday.
For any students wishing to have a yearbook for this school year, you can buy one now.
The link for the 2024 to 2025 yearbook is on the screen now. The school ID for the yearbook is 1163131. If you'd like to order your yearbook, visit the link on the screen now and order yours today.
Prom is this weekend, so make sure to get your tickets via gofan.com. Tickets are $50. The theme is Met Gala.
Ooh.
So pretty, right?
In senior news, there will be a senior award ceremony on May 7th at 6 p.m. This ceremony recognizes scholarship, military enlistment, and GPA. You must fill out the Google Forms in the senior Google Classroom with a screenshot of your acceptance letter if you plan on attending this event.
Also, the Decision Day Parade is on May 9th during 7th period. At this event, you will proudly represent your selected college, trade school, or military branch. Again, you must fill out the senior Google Forms in the senior Google Classroom with a screenshot of your acceptance letter if you plan on attending this event.
Seniors, do you want to decorate your cap for graduation? If you do, there are steps you have to take to ensure design meets the school's guidelines. Your design must be submitted on or before Friday, May 9th.
The design submissions form can be found in the senior school classroom. For approval, forms need to be turned in to Miss Underwood in the dean's office. That's where the tray is on the counter.
You will be notified through Focus if your design has been approved. If your design does not get approved, you may submit another design by the deadline.
Do not decorate your cap before it has been approved. Unapproved cap designs will not be allowed at graduations. Things not allowed on caps are inappropriate language, sayings, logos, or pictures.
For any seniors who don't already know, Grad Bash does have a dress code. Some things that are okay to wear are casual tops, sunglasses, hats, comfortable shoes, jeans, and so on.
Some things that are not okay to wear are sleeveless tops, pants that fall below the waist, matching attire, and other things. If you have any questions or concern, please see Miss Underwood.
Attention, all seniors! Class 2025 Heritage Yard signs are now on sale for only $20. These signs will be customized with your senior photo or photo of choice, and your name.
You can buy yours today by first opening your Focus page, select Purchase and Pay, then add your senior yard sign to the cart.
After you purchase, you must email your preferred picture and your name for your sign to Coach Single. His email is on the screen now.
For any seniors going to college or trade school, fill out the FAFSA for free money. To start this process, both the student and the parent must create their own FSA ID, and it must be before you can start the FAFSA application.
For anyone who needs the help with this process, here are some websites that can help.
Speaking Speaking of applications, for any of you who have not yet completed your Bright Futures application, visit the website above.
Any seniors looking for more scholarships? Check out the 2024 to 2025 scholarship links on Heritage Guidance website, or you can even use the scholarship search engine as well. That's all for the news this week, Panthers. Thank you for watching. And remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!
This time you're not going to do me wrong, right?
Yeah! That was the last time.
You know what that means?
Explosion!
What if I just like...
I hope you got dirty. That's like has our feet all over it.
Imagine if...
Hi!
Yeah, I'm gonna play on the...
Can I turn on the camera? I am.